No, I'm from the UK. There's no sun in the UK. So it only comes out once a year.
I'm looking for the snow, not the sun.
Okay, total opposites, yeah.
I don't like the heat, I like the cold.
I don't mind the heat, you know.
Welcome aboard Cool Runnings. This is where we have to be.
Yeah, this is more fun than
The no, the don't say when they stop at the Reef, at the Reef, you go down. Yeah. Look at the boat. You
want to step down in the front there?
You want to be like the Titanic?
We can go down there.
Well, you know what happened to the Titanic.
Alright everybody, welcome to the Reef. Let me use this box here because we need to get the seas a bit rough so we can get to go underneath the boat. That's how we used to. Alright,
This side is not clean.
that is what I said. We're going to use these first two glasses here. Come around a little bit because the sea is rough. We can't get to go underneath the boat. Yes, right here. We're going to use these glasses here. Yeah, when the sea is rough, we don't take chances with underneath the boat. Now the sea bad, they're going to know water today. Alright, so the water is green and the water is a bit rough today out at the Tobago Reef. Alright, normally the water is crystal clear. You don't even need the glass to see the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to start now. It's a live aquarium. All the round brown corals that are
away. Oh gosh, yeah, so that we find and forget away. You never miss the water till the barrel done. You didn't have the guts to keep hanging on.
Alright, so welcome to the No Man's Land. Now 1:15. Alright. Everybody should be back on board by 1:40. Alright. By 1:40, everybody should be back on board.
The bag, let my wife come out and see. What these people doing?
A mixed drink specialist. Someone had a rum punch too many. Hello. Go for it. Yeah, go for it.
That's why we're drinking some nice mixed drinks, cocktails, coconut rum punch, cold beers, get the champagne, Hennessy, vodka, Johnny Walker punching. I just say drinking is me a thing here.
Nice. How much is that?
Coconut rum punch?
Yeah, let me get that. That's all right. Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Tell you what, keep it
Tell them how to taste.
lovely.
I am here.
That is
I
nice.
saw his eyes. Come on.
Yeah, that's the bit. This is the business, you know.
The rum punch or what's that?
It's a rum punch, isn't it?
Oh,
That's why they make drinks, cocktails, coconut rum punch, island twist.
Aye.
Mhm.
Yes, guys, come see me. Where you guys going?
Woo.
Nice.
That is on the island and all that. They always recommend cool runnings, you know. They always do that.
Yeah.
They always recommend it. You know?
Yeah. That some people might not recommend it. Some people might hate because how the attitude they come with.
Oh, I
Some
see. Yeah,
people
yeah,
have
yeah.
some bad attitude, and when they get away, they're gonna post up us and say, "Oh, bad boat, don't go on
Oh,
this
no
boat."
way.
You know?
No, no, no.
And
no,
that
no,
happens.
no. Tell you what, I'm going to give you a really good review.
Yeah.
I'll give you 7, 8 million stars. Or something.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's like one of the famous boats. Because that guys like we, you know, I mean, we train real people to do this job.
Yeah.
We the experts out there, you know. Them can drive boat like we and do things like what we just do, you know. This big boat, yeah, that's for this boat anyway.
Yeah, but
Nice.
that's also use the lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
For real. In the lifestyle.
Mm-hmm. Amen to that.
Our passion in what we do.
Have a garbage out here?
He just collect it, so you're right.
Oh.
The bottles on him. He just collect them.
Go take a double journey.
Tobago! Woo-wee! Yeah, I had a few of these. $45 TT dollars. Looks nice. I have no idea what it tastes like. Not bad. Not bad.
What's wrong with you? Yes.